To record the screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all we can go to the quick settings or the control center, and then in here check if you have the screen recorder already added. If you don't have it in here, you can tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner, and then we can edit this section with shortcuts and search for screen recorder in here in available buttons. Now once we have the screen recorder, we can of course tap on it in order to start the recording. First we have the setup. You can decide which sound should be recorded, and also we can show taps and touches in here as well. Once you are ready, press start recording. We have a countdown, we can skip it of course, and there we go. Now we are recording our screen quite easily. We have some additional tools that we can use at the top. We can use the arrow in order to hide these tools if you want to, and if you swipe from that bar to the middle of the screen, then you should be able to reveal these buttons again. Use the square in order to completely stop recording and save the recording. You should be able to receive a notification about the recorded video. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.